What's the meaning of Burkina? Burkina. Burkina.
Burkina. Burkina. Burkina is a word of Mossi origin, which refers to men of integrity. Burkina Faso, which means land of the upright/honest people in French, was adopted as the country's new name after it gained independence from France in 1960. It reflects the hope and aspiration of the people of Burkina Faso for a just and honest society, where everyone is equal and respected. The name has become a source of pride for the Burkinabe people, who strive to embody the values it represents.